Hey friends, welcome back. And if you clicked on this video, this is a giveaway that I'm doing for Easter. Or spring, and what is included in the giveaway is going to be these little treat sacks that Dollar Tree has. We have another baggie that I got from the 99 that has little bunny ears, a carrot foam pin. We're going to give the little carrots, a little pom-pom that I got from Dollar General, these cute little butterfly stickers from Hobby Lobby, this little notepad, this little sticker face Easter, couple stickers, and a sticker book. And that is what I'm giving away. All you have to do is comment down below Hoppy Easter, and that will indicate that you want to be entered. This is for 18 years or older, US only at this time. Sorry friends, must be subscribed to my channel, and that is it. And then I will announce the winner in another video, maybe a week or two, so keep an eye out for that. Don't forget to turn on the notifications, and that is what I'll be giving away for this spring Easter. All right guys, take care. Bye.